Let me go to the downstairs to check the machines. Here you can see the outer frame is white, is more accurate and rigid. It's not iron casting. It's rock. In fact, it's by epoxy granite from the Schneeberger, Switzerland. So the motors, mount parts, and even the linear guides, here's the grinding, so it's more accurate. It's coming from the suppliers and already machining at the beginning. So all the metal parts they put inside with epoxy granite. So here's the X5. So let me try to find 4-axis. So you can see it's X5. Yeah, right now they're packing. Here's one of the X5 in packing with the 4-axis. So the ANC controllers and can do the single phase. So this one, it will be X7, and they're still working on it. So later I will make the code for 2 model and for 4-axis include, and then we'll see. So X7 will be 1.5 meter wide. So the X5 is 1 meter wider. Okay. So here's the two sitters. The best part is this machine have a 20,000 RPM spindle. So for small parts, in fact, it's good. But it's depend on program. You know, this thing, I even see this machinings by the X11. You know, somebody is very good on the CAD CAM. They even do the BD40 machines to machining very small parts. They post on the Facebook communities. Yeah. So all right, I will send the emails to you later. Okay, safe drive.